So this is an interesting situation we're in. We are at Savannah Oaks RV Park and they had no spots available, but they have these overflow spots at the front. They're full hookup, so we took one. So we are in a smaller spot. I think you can have probably up to like a 35-foot-ish trailer up here. And we are very close to the other trailers, which is fine. This works for us so well. But it's a paved spot, it's level. It is right by the gym and the pool. And we've got our full hookups and cable here. So there's our sewer, our power, our water. There was a 30 amp or a 50 amp hookup. So, I mean, this worked out really well for us. And lots of parking in front of our RV. This is the dog park area. It is fenced in. There are 2 little signs for dogs to pee on, as well as a fire hydrant and a tree in here. And then some sand areas to dig, a couple logs in the back, and lots of room for dogs to kind of roam around. So every RV park should have a dog wash station, and this one does on the back side of the laundry room. It's quite large and some steps, so you don't have to bend over while washing your dog. This is the children's play area. There's a jungle gym, a couple pieces of climbing equipment, a small little playhouse there, and a picnic table for people to chill at while their children are playing. This is the pool area. So they just opened it. So they were shocking it yesterday and cleaning it. It looks like it should be ready, in a few days of a little bit more shocking and cleaning. But nice big pool area, big pool deck, a water structure in the back. I'm guessing that's probably a waterfall. And outside of the pool area here, there's a little grill area with a picnic table and a charcoal grill. There is a gym area with some equipment inside, but it's closed due to COVID. Outside the laundry room, there's a swing, and then also there's trash bins here. This is the laundry room, and there are 6 washing machines in here, and then 6 dryers in here. There is a note that there are new washing machines on order, so it looks like they're going to be replaced soon. And there's 7 in here, not just 6. Then on this side, you've got folding tables, some seating, and there's also a game room in here. So there's pool table, Coke machine, a couple video games, and then a small iron and ironing board station. There's also a rack for books and magazines to leave one or take one. And baskets to help move your laundry around. The washing machines are currently $1.50 to $2. And the dryers start at $1.50 for the smaller speed queens and 25 cents for the larger, which is usually around like 8 or 10 minutes for 25 cents. This RV park is pretty green, lots of greenery, lots of trees, shade everywhere. Most sites have shade, and lots of Spanish moss hanging from the trees. I'm at the back end of the RV park, and this is where the boat and the boat launch in the river is. And a lot of people at this park are definitely full-time. There are some spots here for people coming in and out, but I'd say most are full-time. So here's the boat launch, and you can get onto the river. This is like a little, tributary or something. I don't know what it's called, but you go out a little bit and then you get to the river with like the actual moving water. There's a small park here to the left. Looking down here, there is like a boardwalk type of area to go further down the river to fish. There is a fish gutting station right here. And then if you walk on this, it's like a little pier or boardwalk or whatever you want to call it that you can fish from. And there's even a boat area that you can dock your kayak or whatnot at the end. So now we're at the end, and there's a bench here so you can tie your boat off here. And this river is a little bit bigger and has some current to it. There are definitely alligators in here. We saw alligators a couple days ago. Well, an alligator, a small one. And there's a lot of fish in here, but I don't know what they are. The water's a little murky, so it's hard to see, but you can just kind of see them swimming around underneath. There's this screened-in room back here, and I feel like it's probably like a community room, or you could have barbecues or things like that in there. It's not in use right now, but I imagine like during non-COVID times it probably was. There's a few bathhouses on the property, and they have unisex bathrooms with showers. So I'm at the back bathhouse, and there's a shower here, bench, toilet, sink mirror, and you've got a drying station here. At the bathhouses at the back of the lot, there's a basketball court, tetherball, and horseshoes. There's a dump station at the park, and I imagine it's not used very much because most of the sites are full hookups, but it's here if you need it. The RV park has a separate entrance and exit, and both are controlled by key cards. And then just outside of the park is a gas station, and the gas station has extra provisions that RVers may need, and also really good, inexpensive coffee.